Introduce myself. My name is Iskandar. I am nursing science in Stikes Jenderal Ahmadiyani Cimahi. Open your handphone and open your application Play Store. Install application LinkedIn in Play Store. After download, open application LinkedIn. To join, you must register first field. Click Join Now. In the profile related to country of origin, postal code, and work in a field already filled in, click Create. There's a business invoice message if you want, but you can also skip it. The first page of the registration process, enter your email address and confirm your email and click Continue. Set the profile page after email verification, click the Editing Profile. See biodata and then click Done. To find people you know network team over the website and click Connection and Add Friends.